I got an idea. What if we make a new bookshelf?
You literally already have one right here.
It's a bit too square, don't you think?
Have you been filming the whole time?
I got an idea. Let's make a new round bookshelf.
Dude, I love it. Alright, what's going on, Nate?
Alright, so here's where we're at. We have made 2 of these long curvaceous pieces, which we're making a total of 4, and we're about to glue the other 2 so we can set it tonight. So tomorrow we should be able to see if this thing actually even fits where we want it to go.
Alright, what's up, Nate?
Screwed up a little bit. This circle is just basically too long right now.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is just remove the AC unit.
Why not?
What? Bad idea. Bad.
Dude, Nate, will you pass me my book, please?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Thanks, bro. Oh, sweet. Just where I left off.